Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing a purple smoky eye, and I'm starting out with the Simple Pleasures Mega Glam palette. I'm just taking a white shade and putting that all over my lid, and then I'm taking a light pink and putting that in my crease as my transition shade. Next, I'm taking the Urban Decay Electric palette, and the first shade I'm using is this light purple, and it's called Jilted, and I'm just going ahead and putting that throughout my crease and blending it out. Next, I'm taking the hot pink shade, which is called Savage, and I'm putting that on the middle of my eyelid, just using my finger, not a brush. And then I'm just blending it out a little bit more with my blending brush. And then I am sweeping a little bit of the excess off from under my eye, and then just blending it out some more. Next, I'm taking the dark purple shade, and it is called Urban, and I'm mainly focusing that on the outer corner and the inner corner, so I'm just kind of doing like a halo effect around my whole eye, trying not to get it on the middle of the lid where the hot pink is, and just blending that out as well as I can. For all of my eyes, I use the Sephora Pro brushes. Then I'm just going ahead and putting that hot pink shade back on my lid. And then I'm taking the silver shade in Revolt and putting it on the inner corner of my eyelid. Then I'm going back to that shade Jilted and putting it underneath my eye and smoking it out underneath the lash line. Alright, and next I'm taking the Scone Cosmetics Pretty Eyes Automatic Eyeliner in the shade Plum and putting that in my waterline. And then I went ahead and did the other eye off camera, and then I'm taking the e.l.f. Cream Eyeliner and just like a flat angled brush, and I'm applying that on my eyelid. And then I'm taking the Eyelure Definition number 126 lashes, and I'm using my Kiss lash glue. You guys know I hate the Duo lash glue. I love the Kiss one. And I'm just applying those lashes. Blowing on them to let the glue dry, and then applying them onto there, and then I'm taking the Smashbox X-Rated mascara and just blending in my natural lashes with my fake lashes, and then also using it on my lower lashes. Then I'm taking the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Prague and just putting that all over my lips. I felt this color went really well with the eye look, that's why I chose it. Then I'm taking the Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray and just setting all of my makeup to help it stay in place. And this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!